Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the functions new, open and save in a program called VinylCut. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Software Training's website has lots of videos about how to solve specific software problems in real use cases. New videos uploaded daily. Okay, now once we're in VinylCut, let's look at the first option, which will be new. So there's three ways to do it, and the first option will be we go on top here, top left to the big new icon, click that, then it'll bring up the pop-up menu for the new project, and the options we have here is name, matte size, if you want a custom size, orientation, which will be portrait or landscape, and units, which will be inches, millimeters or centimeters. And you just click OK. The second option is we can go here on top to file, click new, and then the third option is you use the shortcut key, which will be Ctrl N. Okay, next up let's look at the open function. Now it's very important to keep in mind that this is for opening VinylCut files, not SVGs or graphics. In order to do that, you will go to import. Okay, now once we click on open, then you navigate to where your project is saved. Select the file and click open, then it will open your file. Then next up, what you can also do is you go to file, open project, or as you can see, Ctrl O to open project, and you'll do the same thing. Navigate to the file, select it and open it. Okay, now next up let's look at save. So you can navigate to this big save icon, or what you can do is you go to file, you look for save project, and then you can also press Ctrl S as a shortcut key. I'd recommend getting a good habit of saving often, because you never know when the program crashes, or then you don't lose too much of your work. And then another side note on saving, if we had to add a new page, so let's say we go to the bottom here, add new page, then we add a simple shape to that. Now if you click save, it will save all your pages. So if you've made changes to this page and this page, you don't have to go to each page and save. You can just click save, and then the changes would have been made. And then the last thing, let's see, if you want to rename your project, then you can always go to file, look for save as, and then at the bottom here you just type in a new name and then you click save. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, visit softwaretraining.co.za. You can easily navigate by software name, version and select the topic you would like to watch. You search the challenge you're facing. If you do not find the answer you're looking for, you can also submit a request here so we can make the video for you. Till next time, cheers.